Conchamboni baleo, chala tesi dulero, chala tesi fla. Chala teso dun cara, chala teso dun furia, chala teso du yaman.
Yumo chiki vunitolu ni bimagor anfe mwemo a use phone fee ke a 16 gig internal memory, ke a 32 gig internal memory, ke a 64 gig internal memory, ke a 128 gig internal memory. Imirke phone loko ke fa yeni nyor bongwe. Iba nong tumo ke after 1 month, ke after 1 year, phone lo 2 and 2 nong mo ne phone internal memory aru amfe ana ngwelo ringne tolu ikuku van fe ngwa kwachi bu gorka ngwa kwachi problem ka. Just this message chi phone me to sin when internal memory aru imi ker permit wan ke fan your phone ke use your phone yeni ka tini mi dong chui and solve the problem chi your phone ka tusu and tune phone memory aru very we mtivo
oh we ba me yo kele abiwi ae we rome, yo que lenga to we be here. Cause we're proud of who we are.
Mechi chani ngwa nong tuntini, chi valaria ni, chi mekike andibarane, Priestly Afanus tutorial. A young chi ngwe chi support the channel Wimbumkambu TV. Kabana yon fe intombi, and valaria ni, koja ji the subscription button, te melo give ye any more. Abo koni the notification vous font ye enibu JJJ chime ki faniwi. Alisimbu mem don chui ambo kade we download any video from any website. Nimwechi ebi koni video anaka ngang kofia any the description section ngami ye the link then to watch ambo kada download any video me Facebook me any website. Beriwi yamadi afano amemusi binka. Before sika ke, tem sung wi yu chike gi phone mwe ka chi ru checher. Mwe ke yu phone, kong anti lor pictures, kong anti download videos, kong anti download musics, kong anti gi voice records, kong anti gi video records. We donka, akado ba aka birthday, ka ke, ame kong ne atur memory anong to ana. So nje buana logi phone chiru mwe checher. Jochi ami film video, then video anamichi rusi space ni your phone. Then more about applications to be more ki install ni your phone. One general application chiki lor space bar say application choke ene WhatsApp. Ibong for communication, especially for voice communication. Ni bichoring and sangwaka. WhatsApp iki jawowi anchi 2 chi omechi user njindong ande. Ni mwechoro an 2 ningang. So ntu chi mwelo 2 sina ilo turdi mo chi lo do chuni phone. Chi your phone ka lo ru and need and do delete all the voices. Another application chiki ru si phone chiko ba chiko sit to the means and chi de ambo wazawa okay ne Telegram. Bichio use Telegram or ring YouTube chila kada ko si de ni mwe through voice. So voice tana ilo do to di chimichi chumi your phone. Chikada ko dombo do delete ji. Meku song we application ba chate ibo understanding ne kabane mwe tuji ni ji phone ini dan ring a one of the application chiki rusi phone. Application mo aba application chiki ready ambob games. Games yo chi yo more than 500 MB, 300 MB, 100 MB megabyte. So we install the game and the application and a new phone. Ilo rusi we phone checher. Okay, miti don chiwi ndunji JJJ chikade we lor and kopchi problem chi phone lo tusi win tune phone memory aru ko follow ni wap steps then yene kada kopchi the problem le beriwi. Ame muntumbo wemfe yo bafe lo. Ame mukuya lo. Ame mubinka wemfe yo bafe lo. Ame mukambe yo. Beri we jovi So the first method chime don chiniwi a method chokene deleting of files and delete yuwe chi ioni o phone chwe konka cha normal yu chingwe kigi. So ikaye ni a phone amomichi don chiwi nka ni a phone gallery your phone file, that is and nini your internal memory nini file my file ayeti don chime internal storage by SD card. So a phone rule, so meaning your internal storage nka your internal storage mfie miene file mo yochi yo important ni meka ambo file cha audio evolution delete then if any other file you my important ka more document you important ka some buji ombo need ka then need do again G audio delete just like that. So some more me file more yene okay in shoot delete buchi arine etu use ni wera. So cha a first method chi aka gine aka delete bu then I do fear ni your phone storage. So my nini video ayene video mo yo cho download I already watch the video. Then it will no need. I delete all those videos. Delete buwe. So our first method nane. Where you are to need do fear whether economic space le. So our method 1. Tem vumi method 2. Before mka isi tem don't chiwi dichi bi choki gi use WhatsApp. Bi choki use WhatsApp. Tem don't you di chi njindong chi wiki tu sin tu na elodo chuni phone. Jo bi mo lo kwa an ko clear chat mi WhatsApp ade and delete space. No. Ikabo nyoroka. So aka use WhatsApp then phone lo ruwe achi return gain space again. You cha mi gyake I mean ni file that is nini phone memory file or my manager or file manager something like that. Ikiba phone jjj tum jjj. So nini internal phone storage. Your total phone storage are 128 gig. So make it through my problem space cap. Nka nini internal memory na ni bicho use WhatsApp. Akasu ami fear the folder WhatsApp folder. Kwa me barai malisimbu. Okay. Akaning a WhatsApp nane. Sikaning me WhatsApp be more ring already. This method. Akaning me WhatsApp ami this 3 folder. It can be normally 5 folder, but folder bar more than 5, almost 7 to 8 folder, but the other folders are hidden. So mka domina nemro anti hidden folders, me a lot of folders ni wazana, but the main 3 channels you keep important. So I can name me media, me WhatsApp folder, cha only WhatsApp folder. I can name me media, I mean WhatsApp animation, I mean WhatsApp audio, WhatsApp document, image, WhatsApp profile, all buchane. I mean dichi bu which wagi give me WhatsApp lovucho. So I'm canning amo WhatsApp video. I have videos which wagi to see me WhatsApp to make it download na. I've been so videos more or well or download yena video more already 3 or we already watch you it through no use. I cover say me this WhatsApp, then select video cha konka select video sana kada play yourself. We select then delete this any. We delete this any. Give me for space. don't you example. So if our space I put it back, then jindong chi iki de me WhatsApp group jindong chi wiki tu sini bi chi communicate na aminane okay ne WhatsApp voice note. So I can name WhatsApp voice note. I mean here folders JMJ. So me only groups and go I'm here all these WhatsApp folders. So I can name la miminane. I all channel I'm jindong chi BODA will be with the WhatsApp groups into sini be private, all those things. So I need to delete butcher. Chaka to space ka o. I need to delete view and I can delete it. I need to bear in mind kabane ngomam tu so and two more with ninjindong. Then I check on and delete that into ka. I may be chaka delete buwe minanjo. I may ring the exact voice ka. So I can delete any of these files. Then I need to bear in mind kada lost the particular audio mochi waro nongsi or a two si jinwemo where do delete we learning gang two si we back. Very simple. So all buchane I can delete all this WhatsApp voice note. I make on space. Ni bicho use WhatsApp. Bicho use Telegram. Okay, go doing send media Telegram. Okay, see all bucha. So WhatsApp audios small. Audio so well or download it we give the voice note ka otu so music otu so audio chungo mo ade o forward jinwe ilo vu setting your ami WhatsApp audio ayano we all WhatsApp audio channel adi mo function up audio so we ki receive me WhatsApp ilo vu cho so you can download you can delete you can delete all buchane emi fa with space. Nibicho use WhatsApp. Nibicho use WhatsApp as one of their main communication app. So Maro Yisika. So Bumo Yochimike don't you WhatsApp. That is digitalize WhatsApp and give be more understand about WhatsApp ki functioning. Chikabane ayomi WhatsApp group all or to see message mo cha konga anti receive chika te akong the message chining when your phone ka amo pictures videos enjoy WhatsApp pictures iloko automatically download in your memory. So me don't you amo kada avoid jite your phone to download v automatically ka. So berry this is doing the next method. So method 2 Jimmy don't you and transfer application to install your phone into your memory card. Like application to install do any phone memory. Kada do transfer those application the files bani memory card. That is moving apps from phone into your memory card. They able free with space, able to use space in your phone card. So nimeangiji minirandoni phone settings. So si miro phone settings, yes. Gani mi setting abo menina miro the option nka su ni a phone yo jejechi. I must follow exactly you ginaka, but amiringa mokada adoni o phone settings. Amiringa mokada adoni apps. New phone settings. So apps nane meaning new apps. Our meaning new apps. Akayes any King James Bible chime install edwani phone nane. Nka ning the King James. Emi fa me options. Miti have options. Storage. Where storage no? So I can name this storage. Ayene option mo yo kene chichilane change this first option. Change. That is changing it from my phone memory and putting it in my SD card. That is memory card. So I'm going to in the option internal memory. Sorry. Me find the option internal memory or SD card. Chio senine Nka kong this King James Bible bani internal memory ka mleani SD card. Me lese ni SD card ni so mene approve ji. So mga approve se ni. So amo me approve se ni nane iba change se ni ado ani ni memory card. You know, it changed se ni ado ani memory card instead of internal storage. So Sikeru gi again transfer another app to memory card. So name me phone settings. Name me settings. Me doni su row app. Options show me sang ne apps. Name me apps. And name me apps. Yeah. Collins English and French dictionary. Cha. So name me the Collins and French dictionary. Me do my storage. I'm meaning storage where the options change. So me this change. It don't change the application. I install your internal storage memory. So Maro transfer it from internal storage to my memory card. So me select SD card. Me select SD card seni approve jisen. Then I jouer. So amok kada gi and gain space again in your phone. After it transfer your way seni, I put it back. Say do verify yene transfer jile. Collins English and French dictionary. Storage. Then change. I know. It does in any SD card. So ambo kada gi and gain space back in your phone and transfer application charine application like lor space gore in your phone le memory card. Then transfer bubu in your memory card. Kada ko still do transfer musics to your internal memory. So we download musics. Then we download music it do on your phone memory, ni internal storage. Kada do copy copy music from internal memory to your SD card. That's to your memory card. Like I'm a videos channel. Can copy these videos or move the video folder. Ngajine if I make options. I can feel any mbunane a bonkop. I mean move. Ngaji the move. Imi do imi chifa me option Ndomi di chimwaro movie the folder do non siji. So put it back any ning me a SD card. Ning me a SD card any. Then save Jiminane, move here. So phone we you the same to the same option amoyaka. Phone chim use Samsung Galaxy A50. So anyway, when you use your Techno, you go to option JJJ and move from internal phone memory to SD card. But all the process are the same. So when move was any, I am for space at the videos now me transfer this in any memory card. So I'm going to any internal phone storage. Yeah, videos and again ka videos you can do me transfer ka ni Zenda and ni Zenda do me audio to audio ka. There are two videos ka videos ka. So be more transfer music, transfer phone videos, but films through Zenda. So ilo bawas in Rusi space ka cover me this Zenda do me videos select these options. Then move G or a copy. When move to any, we move can join me already. I don't choose the first steps we are the same. So our method number 2. Method number 3. Sorry. Another method number 4. Okay, method number 4. The last method. Chimichi domchinui. Method you and go. Tem with mini. Method you and go. But me select the most important method. Chi aka apply ji. Cut su. I mean must gain space again in your phone. But phone mo yo chiki tito. Kabane we retera gi apply all these methods. Then idoga. Then see me apply this last method. Chi a clean up campaign. Anilangi clean up campaign in your phone. Chi ami format factory your phone. Reset your phone. Tebamba when use the fee. Then care again from afresh to install application. Jo and format your phone. I mean, bebuwe chuem download it. Buwe chu any phone ka pictures ka videos. I mean bebuana way. But I'm back on a safe side. Chiaran bear all videos ka chiaran give this last method. Chia the alternative method. Chi cut through your phone make put it back in space. Mfa with assurance. So before I catch it though into this option, them advise anyway. I need to give a backup of your phone, your data. That is what music chat to your phone. I need to transfer it to your computer or any memory card or any flash, USB flash drive. So I may download all music chat to your phone. Leni your memory card. I may download all pictures through a lorry your phone through a kongi. I may download. I may all transfer all videos chat to your phone. Transfer all documents chat to your phone. If possible, I transfer all your phone data safe. Transfer Leni a very big flash. Kabane your phone data, your phone space are 32 gig. Then I mean need a flash chimney chat 32 gig. About transfer when your phone. I mean the biological problem. So the highest the bioki data backup and transfer from phone any memory ni computer or laptop. Yes, we transfer one always any catch it do into this last option. Cha clean up campaign. Them kewa format factory. Let's go for it. As Sina saying, she already and do the clean up campaign phone. She already a backup all videos, a backup all music, pictures, documents. She download it from website, from any. She download all buana. She transfer this in any laptop or ni memory card. Okay. Simi gike. Anyway, me return and doni is settings, phone settings. So mkanini a phone settings. Chim user Samsung Galaxy A50 series. So mkanini a Galaxy settings misu. And do you hear this option of factory reset, format factory reset? Me chim use ya Samsung. Me doni general management. General management. So mkanini general management. Msu miye reset. Ayanane reset. So phone yo JJJ. Which you use iPhone, Jimmy Baje, Jimetot and do ye former factory OJ. So anyway, me to figure out ambokade yedo ning this particular option of reset. So mkaning the reset. Aye me to so me ambo the various types of resets. So factory data reset ajiti need and choose. Factory data reset. I offer omisung the meaning of that factory data reset. Reset your phone to its factory default settings. That is ambo when you phone ana ambo the setting amba ambo arone the setting bawa. That is a clean workspace. This will erase all datas, including files and downloaded apps. That is app even your phone catch them download it after we install after you your phone, I install apps. Of apps you download that install na, do. But after need the phone, show. So I can't say any this factory data reset. I know. Ochi don't chime buwe chimi reset. Buwe ne aye ne yucha bucha buwe na yuchi will missing in your phone. So all account, Google account, chime Facebook account, chime install your Facebook. But I make it back le Facebook password. Can't me Facebook again. So all buana omi to so many omi sing way. You ought to get clean up campaign or run a phone beating fee and you after your space in Tombina. After we back up your data, so after we back up what pictures, what videos, what music, all butcher, I can't give this option. Them to repeat you over and over. So kabane your phone at Tito, I can and file a space card then actually tanti where then I give you phone kodo tanti then get faka all those stuff of things. Chikara have made this option. So I'm boy you na seni a option no famene reset nane. So mka aji seni ya phone me sing senior buwe. So meji the button ga. Judging to give these tutorials to use the phone. So I can succeed in Angiji. I mean to follow the process. I mean to follow the on-screen options. Show me to follow. So from there, you phone me do off nijibo, then on back nijibo se ni buwe kuti back fi ni your phone. So me get another video don't you ambokade reset phone like the process they no, but the last option chi kabane will return gain space in your phone, then phone at Tito to a gibu over and over. Asungone aturji injection. I can't clean up campaign. So buwe on your phone. Berry Yamadi Afanu. I'm a Musi Binka. Kabane will subscribe ka ja ko subscribe the next time Maggie this video and don't you ibu JJJ chimichivo Ibo Beka Berry.
Chamfe ba fe ya biu. Chamfe ba fe Wimbum. Adu ba fe ya biu. Meloni we me ton le we ya biu. Meloni we am you. Meloni we pulao. La 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 la.